Alright, so it's been a while. We haven't made a video. I'm here with my boy Francisco. He's on the camera. It's been a few months that I haven't made another vlog, so we're finally back. I've been stacking up parts in the background. I've been busy with work. I started my own little business, making t-shirts and stuff. So if you need anything done, let me know. I've also been busy with school with my little daughter. So also with a 6-month-old baby too. So we're out here. So we got new rear seats too that we're gonna install. So let's get to it.
Alright, so you wanna tell them what we're doing? We're about to start working on the wheels, right?
Yeah. Well, I have the gun and the socket, but the thing is that I don't have the key for the lug nuts. Somewhere in this vicinity, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. This is why you organize your tools, kids. And all this was last minute, so this is what I get.
The usual.
Dead inside. It must be in the hatch. It has to be in the hatch. I refuse. And then the hatch is a mess too. Don't even want to get into that. It's been a very long time I haven't touched this hatch. These are the seats I got. To watch out for spiders. We're gonna be painting these bad boys black. I found it. Get these things off. Look how spent these tires are.
Still got a little life in them.
Yeah, the other ones are the ones that are shot. I just wanted to see if these guys had a cut. Oh, okay, see, these guys already had. So when I throw on the new fenders, these guys already tucked up the wire up here since this car's already lost some set there. So I legit just gotta rip these bad boys off. Throw in the new ones. Guys, it's been like 2 days, so I didn't end up putting the LCAs because I guess I need the new sway bar end links. They go from the lower control arms to the sway bar. So I'm gonna order those instead. So what I just did, I went to go put on the fresh tires on the front. So I got fresh tires on that shit now. I got fresh tires on it, so now I'll be driving it everywhere. Now I got some Achilles, 205s, 45s, 17s. So what I'm gonna do is today, instead of doing that, I actually got new seats. So I'm gonna be ripping out these ugly ones and spray painting my other ones black and then installing those bad boys. So I'm about to rip these out real quick. I unclipped them yesterday. As you can see, the top of the seats and then the bottom are torn. So definitely a good upgrade. I hate leather, just leather in general, I just hate it. So I'm taking these out. And then obviously I need new seats. Alright, my mic wasn't on, so I'm retaking this. So I'm happy how it came out. It came out nice and black. You can't see the stains no more. It does have like a little burnt hole, but nothing compared to how the ones that I have in my car right now. So happy with the results. I almost used the whole can. I have another can. I used almost the whole can for this one. There's still a little bit in there, but I have another new can for the top part so I can finish it. That's good. I bought two because I didn't know how much I was gonna use. Other seat right here. I'm about to vacuum it real quick just to have it nice and prepped. As you can see, this is the original colors, like the teal, blue type. I'm gonna do the top piece with the second can. Oh, here comes the wind. All right. Shit. Legit just speed. Grab all the screws, make sure you don't lose them bad boy. Oh, what the hell, look at this one. This is not rusted at all. That's weird.
Oh damn.
That's how it clean, surprisingly. As you can tell, I don't think these were the original seats because they're leather. I don't think. Okay, and then you gotta take out these screws right here. You gotta pull these bad boys out right here. These two right here. Oh. 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 Oh, we got 1 out of 4. I don't like those odds. Got my handy dandy Harbor Freight.
Try the 7.
7. I don't think it's C. Va a ser un 10. Va a ser un 10. And of course, I don't have a 10. Like most toolboxes out there. Oh. Okay, I see. So I just have to unbolt the hinges from the other seat and just line it up right here. There we go. Sophia and Violet can go here. Perfect. Kids don't need seats, right?
Oh no.
Oh, what? Look what I found. Look what I found. It's a little dashboard. What the? That's so random. It's a dashboard for a car. So random. I got the rear seat here. You gotta snake the buckles through. Way better than the other ones, that's for sure. Eventually I'm gonna get the new black rug because it's filthy. So like that, we'll have a fresh interior. Don't get a project car, guys. Save yourself some money and time. All right, so I'm about to bolt in the rear seats right now. You can see he's bolting that. And then I gotta line up the next one. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then see how it comes out. Alrighty, bolts are in. They're nice and snug. Let's see how this thing came out. I gotta put the little clips back into the... Yeah, I gotta put these bad boys back in there. So let's do that real quick. Last one. They're all on there. Let's see how it looks. Bam, attached. Alright. Hell yes. That's how it's all dusty in here, but a little dusty, but it's okay. Yo, these look so good. I got these for I think 30 bucks. They were stained, painted black. Looks good. I like how it came out. So yeah, that's how to do it real quick, cheap. Yeah. Ugh, I need to see still so bad. Yep, happy how they came out. Sick. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I've been busy, so I finally had some time to get out here and work on the 240. I also have more plans for you coming. So, thank you for watching. Stick around. Thank you so much.